Okay, welcome to High Style Motoring. We're going to do a little installation on a moped here, just trying to show folks out there a little bit of the store, a little showroom. We got the pit bikes going. Got the mopeds, ship those all over the country. People love them, 100 miles to the gallon. What's there not to like? Some states you can even ride one on a restricted license. So, nice little saddlebags on that scooter there. We sell those here. Oh, don't look at the boss's desk. It's a mess. Invoices everywhere. So let's step outside and go see Dano. More scooters, traffic. Okay, Dano's going to show us how to put a front tire on after he stops talking with and BSing with Leonard there. But Leonard's going to help him, give him moral support. Yeah. Okay, Dano, now we got the front fender on already. We did that in the last video. Yeah. We got our handlebars on and our front turn signals. So what's the next step here after the front fender?
We're going to disassemble our speedo assembly so we can run it through the mounting bracket.
Yeah, okay.
Take the center screw out, that just pulls out, downward, lock tight back in the screw.
Oh, it just comes off with one screw?
Yep, screw.
Excellent.
Now you want to make sure that flat part lines up with that flat part.
Okay, yeah, everything's got to line up like it was when he took it off.
Yep.
It slips right in. You know it's in correctly when it goes right in like that. Never forcing the issue, correct, Dano?
Nope.
Smooth and easy. The Lazer 5. It's a 100 mile per gallon plus machine right there. Can't beat the gas mileage.
Nope.
Pays for itself after gas. You ride the scooter yourself, don't you, Dano?
Yep.
How many miles you got on that thing?
Almost 1,200.
No, I think you're wrong. Almost 12,000, you mean. I could show you the odometer right now.
Monday.
Where is that little beauty?
Over there.
Oh, you got parked over on the side? Let's go take a look. Oh, there's Little Red, first scooter we ever bought. Back in, what was that, 2005 when we started selling these beauties. There's Dano's little contraption here. He loves his scooter. Oh, and he's got 11505. Nice. Dano's scooter paid for itself a few times over already, just in saving gas and insurance. Okay, let's get back to the task at hand here, the front tire. Okay, front wheel and tire going on. Okay, so that's the speedo puck right there?
This is the speedo puck. What you want to do is you want to take these two pins and you want to line them up with these two flat sides.
Okay, yeah, the little brass pins slide right on the flat. You'll know when it goes in. Okay, pops right on in. Alrighty.
Take your adapter.
Wait, let's see what that was. What do you got, a shim? Okay, you got a shim that goes on the right side of the scooter.
Right side. You want to make sure it's in firm.
Okay, gotcha.
Whole assembly. Right up.
And we've already extended the brake pads, pushed the caliper, the piston in, so the front brake rotor goes right on in between the brake pads. This is a two-man job, but I'd love to see Dano struggle, so we'll let him sit here and wrestle with his alligator here. Can't be done by one human being, but doesn't go quite as fast if he's got an extra set of hands down there. To get your neighbor, your friend, or relative to help you, you might put her together just a little bit quicker. Once that shim's in place and the axles are in place, or actually the forks, I mean, we'll line up those forks with the hole. We'll put the axle right through there.
You gotta get your fork spread apart.
Sometimes you gotta just wrestle with the forks a little bit. Get them in place. Best laid plans, you know. If you just have patience, everything works out in the long run.
Shaft.
Finally, they succumb to Dano's superior intellect and mechanical ability, and just like putting a chicken on a spit.
Yeah.
Voila.
Right.
Oh yeah, we love the Loctite down here. Never can use enough Loctite. And that is the front wheel assembly for a Lazer 5 by SSR. Oh, look, Dano, you must be sponsored by SSR. Look at that. We're down there every day at the warehouse. 4 miles away from High Style Motoring. Order your moped online, have it built yourself in about an hour and a half. Anybody tells you it's shorter time, then they haven't built one themselves. So, enjoy, people. Say bye, Leonard. All right. Front wheel assembly complete. We're out.